Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to do through the TS16 controller or CS20 calculating for muck heap or topsoil or any sort of volume. So first of all, a few tricks I want to show you. So when you set up, first I have a folder random, then I go to the random folder and then I go to do the setup. Why is that? So if you go here, then OK, obviously total stash is not in, but then you select the folder to pull the points from the control folder. Why I do this? Because when we go in our folder with the survey, then if you use the same folder for the setup, then in the control folder, into that survey folder, I'll show you now, you will have the control points, which when we ask the instrument to calculate for us the volume, is gonna take the control points as well into the calculation. Then that's gonna mess up all the calculations. So now you can see here, that's my survey of the stockpile or muck pile. I will show you. I do one line on the bottom and I do second line on top where the high point is, and then if it's too big, the area on top, I do a few lines just to fill up the high level. I'll show you in a minute. So okay, we use a different folder for the setup. We call the points from the control folder. That's our survey. So now we don't have the setup points into the folder to mess up with the calculations. And then what we do, we go down here and we go into quick volume. We click OK. We put here surface name 1, insert, OK, then OK again, and now after the calculations it tells us minimum elevation, maximum elevation, number of vertices of triangles, because it triangulates between the points, so that's why you have to be careful to do equal distance if you can between all the points, so you can triangulate a bit better. We come here and we click again OK, okay, and this is it, our calculations. The one photo. So okay, these are our calculations for our survey. We click store. Okay, the results have been stored, and if we come here, then we can go to 3D viewer, and now I can show you how it looks like. When we have points with height. So if I go here plus, okay, now you can see where I've done one line on the bottom, one line on top, and then I filled up the top line. Hope you enjoyed. Just a quick add-on on that screen where we have the summary for the volume and the area. Obviously we need the net volume, which is the cubic meters. If you go to the 3D viewer, then you click on this one, and then you can spin and see the model. So where I was telling you that the point has to be equal distance, and that way the triangulate model, it will be very good, very accurate calculated. So here now on that model you can see where the high points and the low point. So single line on the bottom, and obviously single line on the edge on top, and just do few lines in the middle just to fill up equal distance. So the triangulating model, it's gonna calculate very good. Thank you.